Today is brake and rotors day, and we are lifting the car up right now, letting the boys help me. And yeah, already did the other side. Did learn a thing or two on the other side. That parking brake was a real pickle. Anyways, I'm about to get this done. All right, we got the wheel off. Now we're going to get this brake assembly out of here. I've already loosened these guys. And then we're going to replace this rotor. Brakes are squeaking like crazy, so I'm just doing the rotors and the brake pads. All right, getting it going. So this thing, I feel a little loose, but I know it's the other side was stuck too on the parking brake. So we're going to back it off by getting this plug out. There we go. And down inside here, it's going to be hard to see. There's actually a little wheel towards the bottom here. I'm going to have to, there, I can feel it. I'm actually going to twist it downward. Cool. So come down here, I'll show this is the wheel that I'm talking about. And you can spin this and it's actually going to pull this, the brake, parking brake pad here in and out. So twisting that, that's what that plug's for. Cool, we're gonna get this cleaned up real good and then we're gonna put the new rotor on. We're gonna grease up this thing too, so next time it needs to come off will hopefully be a little easier.
Okay, and then
All right, now we gotta push this back. And we're gonna use our hand clamp here. Start off tight. Hold it. All right, we're gonna back it off. Get around to get where it needs to go. All right, we're putting the new rotor back on. Line up the holes. There you go. Push it all the way in. Nice. Go ahead and put that on. There we go. We'll go ahead and do our bolts. All right, so we've got our torque wrench here. We're at 22 pounds, and we got these two bolts here that hold on the caliper. You can't see them, but there's two bolts that'll hold that down. And we're going to add some grease to the back of these brake pads. Again, wherever things are touching, just make sure they're moving smoothly. Okay. Go back. Oh God, put those back on. And here we are with the finished new rotor, new brakes, and hopefully it takes care of my terrible squeaking I was having. And we'll get the wheel on and test it.